Hello, traders, and welcome back to Explain the Charts, your one-stop shop for in-depth crypto market analysis. Today, October 21st, 2024, we're going over the news and chart data for Ethereum, ETHUST, a cryptocurrency known for its innovation and its potential. First, let's discuss the latest news and events that could be impacting Ethereum's price. Recent news reports suggest that there's a growing institutional interest in Ethereum, with more and more investors seeking to capitalize on its potential. Some analysts believe that the rising adoption of tokenized real estate through Ethereum's blockchain will significantly influence its price and drive it higher. Furthermore, the recent launch of Ethereum spot ETFs has generated mixed reactions, with some experts predicting that these ETFs will increase liquidity and stability, while others are concerned about potential negative impacts on Ethereum's decentralization. While the market is currently facing uncertainty, with Bitcoin's price fluctuating, there is a growing bullish sentiment surrounding Ethereum, with some analysts predicting ETH could reach $3,000 in the near future. However, it's important to remember that the price of Ethereum is subject to market fluctuations and can be affected by a variety of factors, including regulatory changes, technological advancements, and the overall economic climate. Now, let's dive into the charts and see what the technical analysis tells us about Ethereum's current trajectory. Let's start with the daily chart and get a broad perspective on Ethereum's recent price movements. Notice how the price has been consolidating in a range, with a clear support level around $1,550 and a resistance level around $1,650. This consolidation pattern suggests that the market is indecisive, with buyers and sellers struggling to gain control. However, if we zoom in on the past few weeks, we can see that the price has been slowly trending upward. This upward trend is supported by the news about growing institutional interest in Ethereum. The price is currently trading above the 20-day moving average, which is a positive sign, suggesting that the bulls are in control for the time being. However, the price is still below the 50-day moving average, which is a key resistance level to watch. If the price can break above the 50-day moving average, it would be a strong signal that the bulls are gaining momentum and that Ethereum is poised for a significant rally. Now, let's take a look at the 1-hour chart to gain a better understanding of Ethereum's more recent price movements. If we look at the past 24 hours, we can see that the price has been experiencing some volatility, with the bulls and bears battling it out. The price has bounced off support levels around $1,620 and $1,600, indicating that the bulls are still active. However, the price has been unable to break through the resistance level around $1,650, suggesting that the bears are still exerting some pressure. The 1-hour chart also shows a number of bullish candlestick patterns, such as engulfing patterns and morning stars. These patterns suggest that the bulls are trying to regain control and that Ethereum could be poised for a breakout. However, it's important to note that the volume has been relatively low in the past few hours, which could indicate that the market is still uncertain. We need to see a surge in volume to confirm that the bulls are truly gaining momentum. Now, let's take a closer look at the 15-minute chart to get an even more granular view of Ethereum's recent price movements. This chart shows a lot of volatility, with the price bouncing back and forth between support and resistance levels. We can see some bullish candlestick patterns, such as hammer patterns and doji patterns. However, we also see some bearish candlestick patterns, such as shooting stars and bearish engulfing patterns. Overall, the 15-minute chart suggests that the market is currently in a state of flux. The price is bouncing between support and resistance levels, with the bulls and bears both vying for control. We need to see a clear break above the resistance level or a clear drop below the support level to determine the direction of the trend. So, what are the key takeaways from the chart analysis? Firstly, the daily chart suggests that Ethereum is in a consolidation phase. The price is bouncing between support and resistance levels, with the bulls and bears both vying for control. However, there are some signs of a potential bullish breakout. Secondly, the 1-hour chart shows some recent volatility. The price has bounced off support levels but has been unable to break through the resistance level. There are some bullish candlestick patterns, suggesting that the bulls are trying to regain control. However, the volume has been relatively low, indicating that the market is still uncertain. Thirdly, the 15-minute chart shows a lot of volatility, with the price bouncing back and forth between support and resistance levels. We need to see a clear break above the resistance level or a clear drop below the support level to determine the direction of the trend. Overall, the chart analysis suggests that Ethereum is currently in a state of flux. The market is uncertain, with the bulls and bears both vying for control. We need to see a clear break above the resistance level or a clear drop below the support level to determine the direction of the trend. In conclusion, the news and chart analysis provide mixed signals about Ethereum's future price movements. There is a growing bullish sentiment, with some analysts predicting that ETH could reach $3,000 in the near future. However, the market is currently facing uncertainty. The daily chart suggests that Ethereum is in a consolidation phase. The price is bouncing between support and resistance levels, with the bulls and bears both vying for control. There are some signs of a potential bullish breakout, but we need to see a surge in volume to confirm that the bulls are truly gaining momentum. Key price levels to watch include the support levels around $1,550 and $1,600, and the resistance levels around $1,650 and the 50-day moving average. A break above the 50-day moving average would be a strong signal that the bulls are gaining momentum and that Ethereum is poised for a significant rally. A break below the support level around $1,550 would be a bearish signal, suggesting that Ethereum is poised for a correction. Other things to look for include the volume, which is an important indicator of market sentiment. A surge in volume would be a bullish sign, indicating that the market is gaining momentum. A decline in volume would be a bearish sign, indicating that the market is losing momentum. It's important to always do your own research and to be aware of the risks involved in trading cryptocurrencies. I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth crypto market analysis, and thanks for watching.